everyone, today I'd like to show you those vertical turbine pumps from Cradle Pump. Right behind me are those giants, ready for being shipped to Indonesia. Each pump delivers a flow rate of 2,800 cubic meters per hour and a head of 215 meters. It's engineered for a large-scale projects such as water intake and long-distance water transfer. A great pump deserves a great drive. It's equipped with a 2,500 kilowatts high-voltage motor, delivering robust power and ensuring efficient and stable operation across the entire operating range. This pumping system has been custom designed for a large-scale water intake and transfer projects in Indonesia. It will become a key link in local water resource allocation, providing powerful and reliable support for municipal water supply system.